Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. On April 9th, 2025, the court, Judge Stephen J. Hippler, entertained multiple motions in limine. You can read what these motions in limine say by going to the court docket in Idaho versus Kohberger. Use any search engine, plug in the terms Idaho cases of interest. It will bring up the Idaho Supreme Court website where certain cases are listed of judicial interest. One of them is Idaho versus Kohberger. If you click on that link, you will see the docket for Mr. Kohberger's case dating back to December 29th, 2022, when such items were docketed, including the criminal complaint against Mr. Kohberger, the order of probable cause, and the arrest warrant authorizing his arrest, which occurred the next day, December 30th, 2022, across the country in Pennsylvania, where he was at that time. The in limine motions filed by the state appear on the docket February 21st, 2025. The remaining motions in limine filed by the defense and by the state appear on the docket February 24th, 2025. That was the deadline for filing all motions in limine pursuant to Judge Hippler's order of January 31st, 2025, which set the schedule for the motions in limine, the responses, and the replies, and also the dates of hearing, which was April 9th, and if necessary, continuing into April 10th. This is the only part of the pretrial and trial order that Judge Hippler entered back on October 9th, 2025, that has ever been amended, and it was amended. It changed the briefing schedule for the motions in limine as well as the hearings on them based on a stipulation that was set to the court by the state and the defense asking for more time to submit the in limine motions and for the hearing. The hearings did proceed on April 9th, 2025, during a marathon day before the court, which began early in the morning of April 9th and continued well into the late afternoon. All that is left at this time are the written orders on these motions, whether they are granted, whether they are denied. And once those orders are rendered, we will, of course, advise you. Most of them dealt with evidence that could be presented at the forthcoming jury trial of this matter, which will occur in the summer of 2025. So these are absolutely crucial because Mr. Kohberger, who remains at all times relevant, innocent of the 5 charges, all first-degree felonies that he was indicted on back in May of 2023, it is the state's burden of proof at the beyond the reasonable doubt evidentiary standard to prove to that future jury that Mr. Kohberger is guilty of those 5 counts. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.